Hey everybody, this is Rochelle, Grief Recovery with Rochelle. Today's Mother's Day, and I have all kinds of people I want to send hugs and love to. So in Grief Recovery, we really talk a lot about we don't want to compare to minimize our feelings. We don't want to compare to minimize others' feelings. And I think once you hear that, you'll start to see that a lot in society. But I want to give hugs and shouts out to those who haven't been able to have children, who haven't been able to realize if their dream, if they had one, of becoming a mother. My heart is with you and I love you. Or those who have had children and had children die. My heart's with you. Or those who were pregnant and have miscarried their children, whether they have living ones or not with them today. Those miscarried babies, we love them, don't we? And they touch our heart. And my heart is with you. And I'm going to miss some, so please forgive me. Those who have had babies and they've grown up, but not quite how we hoped they would. Maybe they've suffered an illness or an injury or something, or maybe they just have sort of behavior or something that isn't quite your favorite. My heart is with you. I love you. Those who are mothers of children and they don't get to see them. Maybe they're not nearby. My heart is with you. Or the people who don't have the connection they wish they would with their parent, or the parent with the child. Maybe there's a mental illness. Maybe that parent just isn't really caring about being a parent. My heart is with you and I love you. Obviously, you know, those of us who've had moms die or grandparents die or just mother figures. Maybe it's a sister, a friend, someone who isn't actually related. My heart is with you. Gosh, I'm probably missing so many. But I just want to bring awareness that there are all kinds of things going on today. There are people who have amazing relationships with their mom, but maybe they're just not nearby. Or amazing relationships with their kids, but they're not nearby. Or maybe you have an amazing relationship with your mom or child, and you are nearby, but maybe you kind of hold back a little bit around people who you know aren't feeling so excited and happy about this day. I just want you to know that you're all okay. The feelings that all of you have are completely normal and natural, and I absolutely love all of you and give you this shout out for just being you. And I don't know, I think it's okay to have a hug sometimes. So being careful to everyone, to not compare with an effort or a focus to minimize someone else's feelings, that all the feelings that we have as humans are completely normal and natural, that it's okay, and it's okay to share about them. If you don't have a safe place, I'll be your safe place. Give me a call. But I just want you to know that I love you, and I'm sending my hugs and my love for you out on this Mother's Day. For whatever situation you find yourself in, you're important, you're valuable, you're visible, and I love you. I love you. I will talk with you next time. Thanks for watching.